The Buenkee Pet Grooming Vacuum offers a powerful suction capability that can efficiently capture nearly all pet hair and dander, keeping your home clean and free from mess. This versatile grooming kit is equipped with 4 attachments, allowing you to perform a professional pet salon experience at home, which can save time and money. With a low noise level of 50 decibels and 3 adjustable speed modes, this grooming vacuum ensures your pets remain calm and comfortable during grooming sessions. Built with 20 years of expertise in pet grooming tools, the sharp clippers are designed to trim fur smoothly without causing any harm, and the 6 guide combs allow for various stylish cuts. The grooming vacuum includes a spacious 2-liter dust container, significantly reducing the need for frequent emptying compared to other models. In addition to its quiet operation and large dust capacity, the Buenkee kit features an extended hose and power cable for enhanced flexibility, making it a top choice for pet owners.